Hi. To remove and replace the old ear pad cushions on these HyperX Cloud PlayStation gaming headsets, simply grab the ear pad by the edge and pull it off. The ear pad is attached to the headphones using a groove. Remove the second ear pad in the same way. A link to the new replacement ear pads is below the video. Once you receive the new ear pads, it's important to stretch the mounting lip slightly before installation. This will make the ear pads much easier to put on. The next step is to insert as much of the ear pad's edge as possible into the headset housing. It's important to hold this edge in place on both sides so it doesn't slip out. Then, using your other hand, pull the remaining edge into the groove while continuously holding the part you've already inserted. After that, repeat the same process with the other side. This won't be easy, but if you follow these steps, you'll succeed. This method allows you to restore the look of your headset by installing new leather or velour ear pads, bringing back both comfort and look. But now, have a great holiday.